don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans at TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Zesco 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Bujabu.
Hey, Stibo.
Fede.
How's it?
I'm nani.
Ushaphe enyakeni omusha.
Yes, getting I'm nani.
Angiyakubona fresh.
Angakuboni this yene?
No, I don't think we've seen each other. No, ngiyabonga Brian.
Ngiyabonga
Stibo.
Asikizi ukuthi angisho ngada. Uyabona? I just realized manje.
Yeah, no. Ngijabulela ukukubona Stibo.
Sure.
I think first and foremost we are parents before anything. Yes. So let's say condolences to the families of those 14 kids abangcwatshwe namhlanje eSibukeng, which is my hometown by the way. Siya nxusa abazali ukuthi kulama transport ahambisa abantwana bethu. Kuba irresponsibility yethu nathi ukuthi before ufake ingane yakho etransportweni yenza ama checks nawe. U-taxi driver makeza azolanda umntwana wakho checka na ukuthi taxi esimene ese-right na. Uchecke nokuthi udriver kungaba umuntu right ukuthi athathe abantwana benu na. Ngoba enye into esifaka la sikhona namhlanje singabazali ukuthi we don't even know, sometimes you don't even know ukuthi who's the driver of your child. So uthathe the whole responsibility wayenikeza lo muntu, then lo muntu ba reckless ngempilo yomntwana kusasa. Yeah, so it's as parents as well we need to play a role in making sure that we investigate properly. And also check man transport ima ngaphandle kwakho mayizolanda umntwana. Also check the status of that particular car taxi. And then take it from there. If you are not satisfied, maybe get somebody else. And don't go for cheap things ngoba nazo into ezi cheap sometimes ziza ama-taxi are not roadway fee. So landela nje into proper, ithatha abantwana bakho ibabuyise endlini. So sithi condolences, ngathi abazali babo bangathola ukuthula ngoba losing a child is not I don't think into esingayimela. It's very difficult. But yes sithi sidlule kuloko as focus empilweni. Stibo Chiefs was playing.
Sure.
They call them Glamour Boys.
Yeah, Pefeni.
Glamour Boys. So abantu ama Glamour Boys ne amajita aqhakazile.
Yes.
Yeah, mawumbheka nawe uyabona ukuthi hayi ku fresh la.
Nina ka.
Hayi. Mawumbheka nawe uyabona ukuthi hayi Chiefs angithi bekuyile yamalona ekhaya mawukhuleka mnandi.
Sure.
Sinkwa sine cheese. Mathi nasikhulele emakhaya baba. Kuluswa inkomo kweza kunasikhathi. The only thing wayibona ibhakani. Yeah, ngoba kungenwa ngenkani. Ngithi system emnyama ngenkani. Yeah, thina besifuna leso. Yeah, but they played very well.
Yes.
They played very well, and namhlanje into engirealizile ukuthi they've also introduced the new talents. Partman bebadlala babanikeza ama minutes, so yabonisa ukuthi le yanto yokuthi bathi we are not signing players. They knew that they will rely on the squad that they have.
Yes.
And honestly speaking, I think they have it depth. Yokuthi ngabathatha somewhere. Because they've got a lot of players.
True.
Because of chaos futhi if they were to sign more players as well. Guguthi the recent players, others were on injuries. Abanye babasayinile abakadlali.
Yes.
So how do you then gauge them ukuthi badlala kanjani?
True.
So I think it was a wise move from management, the Chiefs, to stick to what they have.
Yeah.
And honestly speaking, it's bearing result. I think they are getting there. Look at the league here too much.
Sure.
They are also there. They are competing for a league as well.
Number 3.
Pirates dropped points yesterday, 2 points. Inikeza Chiefs opportunity ukuthi mabazodlala futhi maybe bazama ukuvala leya gap. So in all fairness, they are doing well. Namhlanje they've got 4 points. At least they are there. it's actually not bad in that Group D. So I think they played very well, Steve. Mina ngiyabahalelisela, and especially because they are raising the South African flag very high. Nobody gave them a chance because at some stage they had 1 point.
Yes.
And then I think from certain corners, people were beginning to write them off. I know Kaizer Chiefs is not going anywhere in this competition. But today they proved that they do have the capacity of competing in that particular competition. So I'm saying, if bangathole opportunity nje yokungena ku last 16, definitely they will compete. I've seen the Chiefs that was playing against on Tuesday. They were playing against the Golden Arrows. You have a coach there, very smart coach, Manqoba Mngqithi, but Chiefs managed to win and get the points. So it shows ukuthi there's a hegemony in the team. The team is doing very well. The spirit is high. So they are going to compete and they are going to give us a run for our money. We did not, of course, reflect on Pirates yesterday. Some of us didn't attend the game. Stibo, we can't be frustrated now as Pirates fans. I mean, it's a draw. Now, in a game of football, you'll have a draw, you'll have a lose, you'll have a win. And also, as a football team, you'll have teams that are very difficult for you to beat. Good Pirates, I know for a fact, Marumo Gallants is one of them. Sekhukhune is one of them. By the way, these two teams that I'm talking about, we lost against them in the first round. We lost to Sekhukhune 1-0. We lost to Marumo Gallants in Bloemfontein. We lost 2-1. So those are Hudu teams for us. But I'm saying I'm happy that at least we managed to get a point out of that game. Because otherwise it was going to be a serious chaos. But we got a point. Which still keeps us in second position. By the way, we are second because Sundowns in a goal difference. That's why we are number 2. But in all fairness, points are equal. So it's not all lost. Should we panic as Pirate supporters, management or coach or players? The answer is no. We don't have to panic now. We've got a game here, Magesi, that is coming. And we all know Guti Imagesi FNB Yama 3 points. So you just go there, you withdraw 3 points, and then you leave. So I'm confident that we will do well. And then Sisseseku Kef, the Sundowns also, that is still there. Nakhona kukho bet kangako. It's just that mangicheka, I think the identity of Imamelodi Sundowns iyalahleka kancane kuKhadoso. I think we keep, because sometimes when something is working, Stibo, even if you don't believe in that, but at least it's working, don't change it. Because I think ekwamanje ucoach into kayenzile weSundowns eliminate yonke le nto enhle ebeyenzwa yiSundowns ukuthi maybe let's have a position as a team. But I position yethu ibe ne purpose. Because if you check a game yabo ya Friday, they had a ball position. They had 67%?
I think so.
67% ball position.
And that's
but it didn't come with a purpose. So the team is just playing without a purpose. So I'm saying maybe management may check kancane naye alungise so that Sundowns can be where it belongs. But other than that, league yethu mnandi Stibo. We are quite confident as Orlando Pirates ukuthi league is still coming home. So we asjiki futhi.
It's the season.
Isehleli njalo asitatazei. Because into eyasenza ukuthi last season singasipani kahle. Besingena depth Steve. Iyo lento besikhosta. But now everything is fine, and I don't think there should be any Pirates fan supporter that is panicking ukuthi lento ngathi yahamba futhi. We're on right track. It's just that obviously your boys are coming from a break, because sometimes a break ye FIFA or ye AFCON can either break the momentum or ingalungisa izinto. But unfortunately, these boys are also coming from the holidays. So we also need to take those issues into consideration. Ukuthi nabo they are human beings after all. But in all fairness, things will be fine. But then Masiza ku Zesco. I think after this loss, Kaizer Chiefs, they are out. Because that's the only team that is having 0 point Group D. They played all the 3 games. They've lost all of them. I think it's over for them. I think it's over for them. So let's just be hopeful that the Kaizer Chiefs will make it to the last 16. And I think that's where we're going to see Kaizer Chiefs. To me, I think they've got the potential to even claim that title.
You confident?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs does. Because looking at the teams that are playing there, I don't see any reason why Kaizer Chiefs shouldn't win.
Can't go all the way.
I think they will go all the way.
Bazobatre.
Yeah, bazaba right.
Sibonge bhuti.
Siyabonga, brother.
Yeah, sure. Sibongile.